How datacamp magically gives you feedback on your mistakes. Hey, welcome to the second day of Valentine week with datacamp. My name is Shrey and today I will be discussing how datacamp provides feedback on incorrect code submission. So datacamp built a Python module named htmlwhat, and this module compares user code with the solution code. And if user's code do not follow solution code, then it basically generates feedback. Now, htmlwhat and sqlwhat built over protowhat, which is like a template for these modules. But how? So protowhat contains three important components. Number one is state, number two is test runner, and number three is feedback. Now what is state? So state manages user and solution code as well as their AST simultaneously. But what is AST? So AST stands for abstract syntax tree, and every programming language have a syntax tree which is required by the computer to understand and execute your code. So suppose AST for solution code x equal 10 look like this, and for user code x equal 1 look like this. Then the state will look like this. Now next is test runner. As the name suggests, it runs the test. But for what? And the answer is for the current state instance. So we need to create our own test functions based on our requirements, like htmlwhat and sqlwhat have their own functions for Python and SQL. Similarly, htmlwhat will have its own functions for HTML. So if the test fails, then the third component, which is feedback, is called. And we need to define feedback according to the test failed. So if I test has x equal value on previous state, it will first compare parent node, then left child, and then right child. Hence, the result is x with the wrong value. Also, they uses a functional chaining approach to create a sequence of tests for better code readability and easy execution. This is a technique where you chain function calls by passing first argument of a function as the returned value of the previous function call. In our case, we will be return child state of the current state. So this is it for now, and tomorrow I will set up these components for htmlwhat. So stay tuned with me and thanks for watching. And remember, if you have any question or want more details, feel free to drop a comment below.